hope that he did do it so that it's solved, but the story is very odd. I mean, there are some very strange details that makes one wonder if he's just crazy and admitting to something that he didn't really do.
What happened in the last few months? Were you playing with her? What happened?
Her death was an accident.
It tells us that he was prepared for this. It tells us that he expected it in some way. Now that may have only been for the last 24 hours, but it tells us that he had at least thought about what this process might look like and was prepared to act in a certain way toward it. He was prepared to say no comment to a lot of questions. That takes some thinking. If you're really caught and you're nervous, you're not so likely to be prepared to say that. But he seemed very calm, very matter of fact. He seemed almost confident that he hadn't done anything wrong, which is an interesting twist on it, which fits in with his saying, I was there, and it was an accident. But it was as though he was not the one who caused the accident.
It's not unusual in a high-profile case like this with lots of publicity for people to insert themselves and to take the case on in a very personal way. Occasionally, you do have people who make false confessions, and that's something that the police need to be aware of, and they need to take the tack of saying to the confessor, prove it to me that you did this.
Any circumstance in which the test results that we produced in 1997 that are going to be compared against a new profile obtained from the suspect, in this case John Karr, will either match or they won't match. If they don't match, the issue is probably irrelevant. If they do match, then there's going to have to be some further explanation to answer questions which arose in the collection process. And beyond that, I can't go. That information has not been made public yet.